Tell me how you're feeling. This is your inaugural night. Cytaka, this is a big deal, right?
It's exciting, and that's like in the cyber. We're talking about speed. So let's start. I think that it's waste of time to talk and talk. So if you want to shoot, don't talk.
From the United Kingdom, Zidane. Make some noise for Zidane. Come on.
I'm just so happy it's you. Worked hard, you studied, you went through the questions, you did all your training, and I'm looking forward to meeting you again on the grand final.
Come on in. Welcome from Tahiti. Only female competitor tonight. Mayani Ariotima, welcome from the beautiful island of Mauritius. Make some noise for Jerry!
The main idea of Cytaka, create and develop the most important community, save world from cyber attacks.
Up next, Nazar Gargo from Poland! From Belgium, Karim Bomer! Representing Austria, Manuel Real!
This is the time to say to ourselves, we're responsible for our safety. Stop to say someone attacked my bank account. No, stand by your rights, by your own, to get the right education, the right tools to impact about your quality of your life.
Our next competitor, representing Israel, Simeon Roshte! From India, Ashish Patil! Come on, Ashish. Also from Israel, Elias Saleh!
Ну вот сейчас, я думаю, молодежь, видя, что здесь большое будущее, видя, что здесь много денег, большое направление пойдет в эту сторону. Потому что это реально будущее.
Such an amazing event because, you know, now in the world everything is digital, everything is moving cyber, so why not come here and see some of the best in the world?
We want new generation that choose what he want to do. Leave for a moment the problematic from the past. Let's do something with our kids and give them the opportunity to do something good, to do new technologies, new medical, new spy science, new quality of life.